Now's your chance, everybody.
This is a
You got 5 minutes. Get them out
test.
Jeff, I have a quick question.
Sure, Patrick.
About video length. Is there any research out there that shows, as you get up into the upper secondary ranges, that those videos can be longer because students have the ability to pause, come back, they're more savvy in navigating those videos?
Great question. And unfortunately, the answer is no. I wish the answer was yes. I wish I could say, like, yeah, a high school kid can sit for an hour.
Testing the recording here. I can't seem to write, but maybe if I bring up my So here's our rules for solubility. This is a test. I add sodium. That was added to silver nitrate. What would happen? Would this take place or not? Well, we need to determine, is sodium more reactive than silver? Well, look at your activity series, and yes, it is. Silver is going to be left, we're going to have a single displacement reaction, and we're going to be aqueous over here. So this will take place, and you'll get solid silver out of it. That's why silver nitrate's so expensive, isn't it?